In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Amazon cart with someone, giving you the ability to collaborate or gift like a pro in 2025. This tutorial is designed to guide you through a couple of straightforward methods, ensuring you can easily share your shopping list with family, friends, or colleagues. Let's dive into it. First, head to Amazon.com. This is where it all starts. Log into your account and begin adding items to your cart as you normally would. You might be selecting items for a holiday gift list or simply sharing some recommendations with a friend. Whatever your reason, make sure your cart is full of the items you want to share. Now, there are two primary methods for sharing your cart. The first method involves using an online tool called share-a-cart.com. This tool simplifies the process, making it seamless and efficient. To get started with this method, open up your browser and navigate to share-a-cart.com. Once you're there, you'll notice a button labeled Create Cart. Click on it. The platform provides a list of supported stores, and you'll want to select Amazon from this list. Using a Chrome or Firefox extension from Share a Cart might make this process even smoother, but it's entirely optional. If you prefer a manual approach, you can simply click Manually Input Cart and then copy-paste your cart details into the tool. Next, you'll want to generate a share link. This is an essential part of the process as it acts as the medium through which your cart details are shared. Once the link is generated, and you'll receive something like https://share-a-cart.com/cart/abc123. This is the link you'll share with your intended recipient via email or message. Once they have this link, they can view your cart and choose to add the items to their own Amazon account. For those who prefer a more direct approach without using any additional tools, we have the second method. This involves sharing each item's link manually. Begin by going to your Amazon cart, identifying the items you want to share. For each item, you'll need to click the item's title. This action will open the item's product page. From there, simply go to the address bar, copy the unique URL, and paste each link into an email or message to the person you want to share it with. This method is simple and direct, perfect for when you have just a few items to share or prefer not to use external tools. Both methods offer a convenient way to share your shopping cart on Amazon, tailored to different preferences and needs. So pick the one that works best for you, and happy sharing.